of character enclosed within inverted commas.
Chalo, I see it is waiting to upload there. We should share the screen until then. Is this visible? Last classes we discussed about the string there. Okay, I think these questions we discussed there, right? Okay, once again, I want to confirm with you that what do you mean by the sky code? Is this the integer code or anything else? The integer code which is readable by the computers, right? Okay, in the last class we discussed about that Maria is equals to Manoj. Why the statement is false? Who will tell me? Maria equals to Manoj. In the print statement it is written there. There are the two strings. First string is Maria and second string is Manoj. Okay, but the output is false. Why? Arav Sharma.
Right.
Ma'am, because R and N are not equal.
It is not?
Ma'am, because
Yes.
R and N have different values. And R has a greater value than N.
Yes. R is greater than the N. R's sky code. The sky value of R is greater than the N. So it is false. Okay. And for the rest statements, Maria is not equals to Manoj. Why it is not equals to Manoj? Why it is not equals to Manoj? It is true because the R's, same. The answer is same as you have already given in the previous one. Okay, because R is not equals to N. So it is saying the same thing. It is not equals to Manoj. So it is true. Okay, definitely it is not equals to Manoj. Maria is greater than Manoj. Why? Because R's sky code is greater than Manoj. Is this clear to all of you? Kindly raise your hand if all these statements are clear. Raise your hand. Who have the doubt? Yes, Akansha, do you want to ask something? Who is raising their hand? With the doubt students or the... Yes. Akansha, one. Clear. Okay, I think you are confused. Hands down. Hands down. Okay, if anyone have doubt in this, then you can ask.
Ma'am, what is the last statement?
Last statement, Maria is greater than the null string is there. Null means empty string. Okay, not a single string is there. Okay, then Maria is given there. I'm just telling a one statement to you that if 25 is greater than to null. Is this true or false? 25 is greater than...
True.
True. Why it is true? Because we are comparing to 25 with null statement. Null means 0. Null means empty string. Okay. So that's why it is true, because Maria has some string. It has some sky code, sky values there, and it is comparing with the null statement. It means not a single statement is there. Okay, so it is if it is comparing with the null statement, so it is true. Is this okay? Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now string value can be updated by reassigning, okay, reassigning another value in it. Okay. Then var1. What is var1, bacha? What is var1? It is a variable there. We are assigning a string there. Okay, Bhavya. Bhavya, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
What is this computer science? What is this computer science? Where 1 equals to computer science is written here. Bhavya?
Yes. Ma'am, it's a string.
It's a string. Or when we are assigning to? We are assigning to what?
Yes, ma'am.
We are assigning to which variable?
Variable 1.
Variable 1 is the name. Okay. This is the string. How many? Yes. Aishwarya, how many? What is the length of the string? Aishwarya?
Ma'am,
Aishwarya?
which one?
Hmm?
Ma'am, the comp science one.
What is the length of the string, bache? Computer science, which is written in the quoted mark.
Ma'am, 7.
7. Exactly. But 6 letters are there. Why the 7 is the length here?
Ma'am, because of the space.
Because of the space. Understood all? Understood all? We will count the space also. If we are calculating the length of a string. If we are calculating the length of the string, we will calculate the space is also there. Okay, so it is written there. Again, it is assigning some values in the var1. Okay, which values it is assigning there? var1 to 7. 7 will be excluded there. It means up to 6. It means up to 6. It is saying take up to 6 plus. What is the symbol? What is the meaning of this symbol plus? While you are using with the string, it will be the concatenation operator. If you are using the symbol in with the integers values, it will be your arithmetic operator. Okay, it will add that value. But with the string, it will be the concatenation operator. It means it will merge the two values of the strings here. Okay, so first string will be there, the up to the this value, the computer science plus. Okay, it is merging the value of the computer science with Python. So it will come according to that computer science with Python. Updated string will be in the var1. The full value it will up to 7. It will give with Python there. Okay. Okay. Kindly do the same program in your computer first. All of you kindly do the program in your computer. Do the same program in your computer. Are you doing all? And send me the pic. They are in the chat option, all of you. Done all? How many students have joined today? Yes. Okay, these are the different kinds of string special operators. Okay, these kind of string special operators there. The example is given here for the plus symbol. Concatenation to add two strings. Concatenation to add two strings. Recently I discussed about that also. What do you mean by the concatenation operator? For merging two strings. Okay, if A is given com and B is given science there. Okay, I'm adding these two. A plus B computer science. A plus B computer science. Okay, then star is given there. Replication operator. What do you mean by the replication operator? In the last class we discussed about that also. If A into 2 is given there, if string is COMP, so it will replicate that. Okay, it will give the string 2 times here. If I'm just writing A into 3, the com, okay, will be displayed 3 times here. Okay, done. Next, character of the strings. If you want to calculate the character of the string, A1 is given there. In this, A1 is given there. What is this? A1. A1 is given there. Can you tell me what is A1?
Ma'am, it will give the second letter of the string.
Exactly. Very good. Okay, comp is given there. So we discussed about that also. Na? The string the position will be start from 0th position. So at first position there is O. So it is displaying O. Range slice and range string. Okay. Then 1 to 4 is given there. Will give OMP. Will give OMP. Okay. So it is starting from 1 to 4. So we'll give OMP. 1 to 3 is given there. 1 to 3 is given there. 1 to 3. Why 1 to 3? 4 will be excluded. Membership check. P in L will give 1. Okay. For checking the membership operator in and not in, these type of 2 membership operators are there. Okay. These are the 2 types of membership operators. There, first one is in, second one is not in. What is the purpose of membership operator there? In is always used to check the given range or given character or given element from a range, from a list. Okay, just like this. It is checking P in. In is a membership operator there. It is using in there. P in A. यानी कि जो P है वो A के अंदर है. What will be the answer? It will give 1. ठीक है? Because P is already existing in this string. A के अंदर है. What is the content in the A? COMP. Comp is there. Comp is there. Okay, so P is here. Okay, so if P is here, so it is reply 1 there. Membership check for non-availability. Not in. M क्या नहीं है A के अंदर. It will give 1 true. Because it is not the M. M, capital M is written there, na बच्चों. So capital M is not there. Instead of capital M, if it is writing small m, so it will give the different answer there because m is according to that, because m is there and it is asking not in. ये दोनों statement समझ आए? Have you understood with this? In and not in.
Ma'am, what will be the code for membership check?
Membership check के लिए this is the code only. P in A, it is checking for that. We will use in the code also. And M not in A because operator क्या है? जैसे यहाँ पर you are using the star here, you are using plus here. So in this you will use in and not in directly. ठीक है? वो सिर्फ पूछेगा कि P क्या A के अंदर है? So it will give the answer 1 because it is already existing there. अगर ये पूछता है M in A, so it will give 0 क्योंकि M तो है ही नहीं, capital M. Small m is there. So if small it is asking capital M not in A, क्या वो नहीं है? Yes, it is not there, so it is replying 1. Okay? Percent is also the format of the string. What is the symbol for the percent? Percent basically give the string there. My subject is percent s is given there. It means it is saying that it need to reply. It need to reply the computer science there. The string जो भी value है इसकी. ठीक है? जो भी आपकी string है वो display करवा देगा. और परसेंट डी का मतलब it will display numeric values here. ये देखो, it is given there. The format symbol are given there. It means whatever the related string we are using in that, it will display according to that. ठीक है? अब ये देखो. It's displaying percent as it means string conversion. It is giving. Okay, string conversion it is giving percent I decimal integer. It is giving percent D is also used for the integer values, for the unsigned values. Octal hexa, kindly leave it. We will discuss it in the next chapter. Okay, for all these things in the data representation chapter is there in your book. So for all these things we will discuss about that. What is octal? What is hexadecimal? Okay, the character is there for displaying the character. You will display the C, percent C. How can we use it? Okay, what is this triple quoted mark? Triple quoted mark. In the last question, we discussed about that. I'm just opening my. This is called the docstring also. See, in the last question and in the last classes, we discussed about something else also, that if we want to give some comment, in our program, then we need to give hash symbol there. हम क्या लिखेंगे बच्चों? We need to give hash symbol दिया. Okay, here we are writing hash symbol दिया कि write program. In fact, we can write the roll number or the questions, whatever we want, then we can write here. Okay, if we are writing some comments there with the hash symbol, it will ignore that part. Okay, if we have some more comments are also there in your program, let's say we have the one paragraph for the declaration. So what will we write? We will write hash there in front of all. हम क्या करेंगे? सबके सामने hash लगाएंगे. Is this okay? Then putting the hash in front of all directly, we can put the triple quotation mark also there, just like this, in this way. I'm just telling. Okay. This is called the docstring also. This is called the docstring also. It means a multiple string. You can assign to a variable also. And with this, it can, if we are writing directly with the triple quotation mark or the single quotation mark, so it will ignore that part from the code. Okay, while it will execute that. Okay, Bhavya, yes.
Ma'am, please look in the chat box. Once I send you a pic, I can't see variable one. It's just coming with Python. Like updated string with.
Is the screen is visible, Bhavya?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you listening the screen on the screen, whatever I'm deciding with you?
Yes, ma'am.
But first of all, listen to this. Then doubt things you can discuss in the last classes.
Okay,
in the
ma'am.
last of the session. Sure. Is this okay? The talk string, what I want to say? Is there any doubt to anyone?
Ma'am, I printed them this way, and when I run the program, it is printing the same statement
It is printing
automatically.
and kindly ignore it also. Yeah, you are presenting this. You are printing this statement, na? str1 के अंदर आप transfer कर रहे होंगे. Then you are displaying that.
No, ma'am, I'm not displaying. I'm just using the three quotations and writing it. So it is automatically printing the same statement, but within
so
single quotation.
I was just saying na ki it is the docstring also. Docstring, it means if you are putting the triple quotation mark somewhere. Okay, let's say I'm just copying this. Ye dekho. Why the error is coming? Clear or not? Clear or not?
Ma'am, I'm saying that I'm not printing the statement written within this. And I'm not giving a variable also, but it is printing it automatically.
This
May I send you a screenshot?
I can just read it. ये देखो. It means according to this. एक मिनट. वो भी हम एक बार देख लेते हैं, check कर लेते हैं. ये देखो. In this, it is assigning that value in the string. Why it is assigning in the triple quotation mark there? This is called the docstring because the multiple lines are there. Okay. If multiple lines are there, instead of giving the triple quotation mark, if we are assigning a simple string there, okay, then what will be the value there? There will be error. There will why the error is here? Because multiple strings are there. Okay, for solving this issue, we need to put all these strings in the separate variables. इस तरीके से हम in the separate variables we will put the each and every string of that paragraph. But if they are the multiple strings and we want to assign in a single variable there, then we need to put the triple quote there. We need to put triple quote there. Okay, the triple quotation mark. So this is called the dog string. Okay, this is called the dog string. If more than one lines, the multiple lines we are assigning to a variable. Okay, then directly to a paragraph also we can assign to a string. Okay, this is called the dog string. Okay, in case if instead of using that particular code in our program, because while I am executing it, it is showing it, it is displaying it as it is, because I have given the print statement and assigned that particular paragraph in a string. Okay, then while we are displaying that string, it is giving the value as it is. But the previous one, which is written in the triple quotation mark, it is ignoring that part. It is ignoring that part, and it is ignoring that part, and it is displaying it. Okay, it as a comment. Okay, it is displaying it as a comment. यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा है? It is assuming it as a comment. It means not displaying this on the screen. What is it displaying? This is displaying on the which is written on the triple quotation mark. Now the person is saying that, ma'am, we are ignoring that particular part. Okay, that in this case. Yes. Is this displaying that?
No, ma'am.
Display? No. If it is not displaying that, it means
It's a comment.
this is the comment. It will ignore that part. Okay, maybe there can be the problem in your. I think I'm very sure कि उसी में problem होगा. Have you checked that? Anna? Am I right? There were the
Ma'am, I
problem in
have,
this
but
only.
it is. Ma'am, I've sent you a screenshot. Can you tell me what's my mistake?
Yeah. Kanak has sent some.
Yes, ma'am. This is.
Yeah, anyway, have you sent something? Acha, Kanak was asking that. Where are you using that? In the shell?
No, ma'am. Jupyter notebook.
Beta, in the different mode, I think you are using that, so it is giving the different output here. And you are using it. And I'm going to
And you aren't audible.
Okay, if you will use the same statement in the same version as prescribed by the CPSC, then there will be the execution like this, whatever we are discussing.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, some more options. I have given the PDF, okay, to all of you. Kindly send this PDF in your group also of the computer science. Okay, I made one group also na, for the computer science. So here we'll share our notes only. Okay, here we will share our notes only. Okay, for the related to computer science. Acha. One more thing I want to ask with all of you. I sent one uh, field list also. I shared one fee list also to all of you. Kindly do the needful for that also. Tell to your parents to do the needful as soon as possible. Recently, one student joined. Who is this? Recently, one student joined. Okay, I will download the attendance according to the timings. I will confirm that. Recently, one student joined. Who is this?
Ma'am, I got disconnected, so I rejoined. Akshita.
Okay. Return the length of the string. Say, see. ये देखो बेटा. This is called the A equals to com, B equals to my computer there. What is the use of length? We have already discussed about that. If we are using length variable there, then our length of the, it will count the length with the spaces. STR capitalize. Capitalize, it will give all the capital letters there. ठीक है? Will return the title case string. What do you mean by the title case string? Title case. In MS Words also we have already learned. छोटी क्लासेस में भी आपने पढ़ा है ना MS Words में टाइटल केस क्या होता है? If we are giving a string, the first letter of the each word will be capital. First letter of the each word will be capital. Kindly check all these things. एक string लेना, उसके बाद ये सारा आप try करोगे. This is your homework for all of you. ठीक है? Capitalize. भी क्या करते हैं तो फर्स्ट लेटर तो उसको कैपिटलाइज कर देता है. अभी देखो upper, it will give in the upper case, it will give in the lower case, it will count the values. Okay, it will be 1, it will count the total number of characters. Just say it is saying that count O. So how many O are there in A? 1 O is there, so it is replying 1. Find the substring there. M को वो find कर रहा है. A dot find M. It is displaying 2 there. Because 0, 1, 2, M is placed at second position. So it is giving the second position there. Okay. Replace. Replacing. Just a B dot replace my with your will be your computer there. My computer was written there. So with the my, it will replace your there. So the string will come your. Is this okay? ठीक है बच्चों, तो ये वाला आज करेंगे आप. Do all these things. I'm just taking your attendance. Wait. Akansha Sharma. Akansha.
Yes, ma'am.
Arav Grewal.
Yes, ma'am.
Arav Sharma. Agnish. Beta, are you a new student? Agnish Saha. Are you new recently in the same session? Have you joined?
वो मैम वो पहले से है.
Agnish ka.
Yes,
Have
ma'am.
you received your roll number? Agnish, have you received your roll number? I shared in the MS team.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have not received my roll number. Himanshu.
हाँ तो मुझे बताओ ना कंप्यूटर साइंस वाला जो ग्रुप है ना 11th का उसमें आप मेरे पास नेम्स डाल दो जिन बच्चों ने नहीं रिसीव हुआ है ठीक है या फिर मुझे एक काम करो अभी पर्सनल मैसेज करना तो पर्सनली आई विल सेंड इट टू यू ठीक है आप पर्सनल मैसेज करना विद योर नेम who have not received your roll number if you okay if you are not the new if you are not the new student here okay who have not received kindly send me the message in the personal right किसमें WhatsApp ये sorry WhatsApp message करना is this okay yeah Aishwarya
Yes, ma'am.
Akshita who is this जो बच्चा कह रहा है कि नहीं मिला है
I'm Himanshu.
हिमांशु अच्छा आई नीड टू चेक क्योंकि उन्होंने यस उन बच्चों के सामने लिखा हुआ है जो इनको मिल गया है रुको अंशिका हून अमन तोमर
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Aman present.
अरुमिता
Present, ma'am.
अरुमिता are you new student here
Yes, ma'am.
okay that's why आपको नहीं मिला है आर्यन
Present, ma'am.
आयुष शर्मा आयुष शर्मा भव्या भारद्वाज present